Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I'll show you the virtual try project using Python.
I'll tell you stepwise. Okay, I have mentioned a comment in every line. Okay, so you can refer this. Okay, so first of all, do some research. Ki what is pose estimate detector? Go to Google, type CV zone pose estimator. Okay, you will get it. Okay, post detection. Okay, so read some novels or some blogs regarding the same key, what algorithm they are using, and what things this cv zone post estimation library is doing. Okay, basically see this post estimator model, what it will do, it will give this landmarks, post estimate landmarks, just like what they have done. They have taken 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 120, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1 to 8. They have assigned number for face landmark. Okay, so with this 1 to 8 points, we can extract the face landmarks. Similarly, 11, 12, 14, we can 12 to 18, 20, we can detect the right hand. Similarly, left hand, leg, like that, right? So what is our approach? See, we want to replace t-shirt, right? So what will be the our approach? We first need to identify this point 11, 12, 23, 24, right? So this is the four main points, right? If you see, this is the rectangle kind of thing, right? Based on this shape, we can replace this shape particular positions with the t-shirt, okay, or anything, so that it will look like you have wear a t-shirt in VR, right? So this is the approach. Okay, so we are using this post detector model, pretend model. Internally, it is using media pipe. Okay, media pipe is a algorithm. See, whatever terms I am saying, the media pipe, pose estimator, do some research on YouTube or internally. Just Google it. Key what algorithm media pipe using, what algorithms user pose estimator using. Okay, you will understood. Basically, internally it is using CNN as a base algorithm, and we just using the model in our project. Okay, so what is our thing? Key if you go to code, okay. So what we are doing first, we are importing the libraries, required libraries, CV zone, OpenCV, right? And then we are opening the camera. This is the code to start the camera, and this is the code to create an object of particular pose detector model. Okay. Similarly, this is our folder where we have stored the images. Similarly, we are just no, we are just getting all the images in this list. Okay, and this is the ratio of fixed ratio for the image. Okay, and this is the short ratio. Okay, and this initial count we have taken as a 0, but here I'll replace the code. Okay, basically in your system I have replaced. Okay, enter image number. Basically we are asking image number so that we will load the same image. So you can provide any image number based on the folder, and then it will place the image. Okay, and then I have tried to add button as well, but it didn't work. Okay, and then we are just skip this part. This is not required. Okay, and then we are running a infinite loop. Okay, and then we are reading one by one frame from camera, and then we are calling this find pose function from the pose detector class object. Okay, and passing the image, and then it will give the output image. Okay, and based on output image, then we'll be identifying the positions, these positions, whatever these positions are there now. If you go here, these are the positions, right? Landmarks. So we are just identifying the landmarks with this function, and if position numbers are found, then we are extracting the points. I told you, right? We just required 11, 12, 23, 24, but 11, 12 is also okay. Okay, so here you can see we are just scrapping the 11th and 12th position. Okay, and then we are reading the image, whatever a short image we want to replace, we are just reading the image. Okay, and we are identifying the width of the image, the t-shirt image. Okay, and and we are just resizing the width of that particular t-shirt image into the based on the ratio which user is standing, whatever user is standing, just like see whatever width will be there from 11 to 12 point, and similarly whatever the width of t-shirt. Okay, so based on that we are just overlapping that. Okay, so this is the code for overlapping the shirt and blending the alpha. Okay, and this is the resize button, but it didn't work. Okay, and this is the code which is basically you can say ki you have done some research and from different resources we have got to know ki how to replace the t-shirt with the body position, and you have referred that. Okay, you can say like that, and then we are just flipping image to show mirror kind of basically camera when capture the image is capture horizontally, so we have to flip it. Okay, so we are just flipping, and similarly we can find this points. So 16 and 15 points are for with the 16 point we can find the left hand, and with the 17 we can find the right hand. Okay, so we can perform operations here. Similarly we can do for jeans as well, pants. Okay, so we need to identify 24 and 23, and based on this we can replace the pant image. So you can say ki you have just done basic pose estimation and you have just tried to t-shirt, and next you will be doing for jeans and will be integrating with website, like that you can say. Okay, so this is the thing you can explain. Okay, do not explain separately the whatever you are saying to differentiate a pose estimator and t-shirt theme, so that will create a
Thank you
problem.
friend for
Okay,
watching my
just keep
video.
it
If you
brief
are new, then
only.
subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.